So, hello guys. Welcome to our podcast. We are UX Core. I'm Liam Rancho. And this is my partner Harley Olangka. Today we have a very special guest. Let's welcome Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta.
She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for the.
Hello everyone. I'm Mark Zuckerberg, CDO of Meta or Facebook. Thank you for inviting me here, UX Core.
Yes, we are pleased to have you, Mr. Zuckerberg.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. So, bakit nga ba natin kasama si Mr. Zuckerberg? Based kasi sa narinig namin balita, sir, nagkaroon ng issue yung company nyo, which is yung Facebook. Paano nyo ito nalampasan at paano kayo naging successful bilang isang CDO?
Uh, First of all, I would like to apologize to the accident. I am terribly sorry about that. But our team is working hard to ensure that accident like this no longer occurred. And your second question was, how can I become like super successful
Successful.
like
Yes, yes.
the first step was super hard, uh, but my friends and I pursue Meta and Facebook on 2004. Then we released Facebook. Naging ano siya, popular siya on websites.
I see. So, based po dun sa mga narinig namin balita na nagkaroon ng problema yung company nyo, may mga hinanda po kaming mga katanungan na maaari nyo pong masagot. Sa unang katanungan po is, what types of personal and usage data does Facebook collect from its user and how it is this data used by platform, which is yung Facebook po?
Our team, Facebook, Meta, collects a variety data from users, including personal information like names and contact details. And so we can use such as activity data as posts and interactions usage data, including the devices and location information. Behavioral data, ad interactions like that, and content preference. So our third party from integrated apps and websites, this data is used to personalize user experiences, target advertisements, improve services, and ensure security.
I see. So, sir, to add that question, how does Facebook ensure the privacy and security of the data it collects from the user?
Mhm. Facebook Meta ensures the privacy and security of every user's data through measures such as encryption, like that, and transmission and storage. So we can provide privacy controls for users and manage their settings, restricting data access to authorized personnel conducting regular security audits. Then can also notify users of data breaches or charges and in privacy practices and complying with data protections regulation like the GDPR.
Oh, okay, okay. So, sir, ang susunod na tanong is, how can the data you share on Facebook be used by the platform and what are some potential risks or benefits associated with this usage?
Ah, so I'm sorry again for the terrible accident.
Mhm.
The data you share on Facebook can be used for target advertising, improving user experience, and develop new features. However, it can also pose risks like privacy concern, data breaches, or misuse by third parties.
Mm. And to add that question again, sir, what step can you take to protect your privacy and control how your data is used on Facebook?
Mm. We can protect your privacy on Meta, Facebook by adjusting your privacy setting, being cautious about the information you share. Like, when you have a girlfriend, don't share your password to your girlfriend. And but you can share it when but you can enable two-factor authentication. You know
Mm.
what the two-factor authentication?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Thank you for answering my question, sir. Ikaw ba, partner? May tanong ka ba sa ating guest na si Mr. Zuckerberg?
Meron akong tanong kay Mr. Zuckerberg, partner. So,
Hmm.
Mr. Zuckerberg, ready ka na ba?
I'm ready, sir.
So, ito na. Can you confirm whether Facebook shares user data with advertisers to target ads?
Yes. Facebook does share user data with advertisers to help them target ads more effectively. That include data such as demographic, interest, and what you call that one, online behavior, like that. That is.
So, kung sinishare ng Facebook or Meta ang data natin or namin with advertisers, what specific types of user data are included and how does Facebook ensure that this data sharing complies with privacy regulations?
The data we share on Meta are like age, gender, and location, and interest, and online behavior with advertisers to target ads. The data aggregated and anonymized to protect personal identifiers. Makomply yung privacy regulation ng Meta na nagpo-provide sa privacy settings. Follows legal requirements like GDPR and conducts regular audits.
I see. So, on to the next question. Can you
Mhm.
explain how third parties utilize the data provided by Facebook or Meta, specifically in creating targeted and personalized advertisements?
Mhm. The the third parties that utilize the Meta, right?
Yes.
Uh, the third parties use the data provided by Facebook or Meta to create target and personalized advertising by analyzing user demographics, interests, and online behavior. This information allows them to tailor ads to specific audiences, improve by improving relevance and engagement with the advertisement displayed to users.
Mm.
Just to add to that, Mr. Zuckerberg,
Mhm.
what
Okay.
measures does Facebook or Meta take to ensure that the data used for personalized advertising is handled securely and in compliance with privacy regulations?
Mhm. Facebook implements several measures to secure data used for personalized advertising that can include encrypting data, anonymizing user information, and providing privacy settings for users to control their data. Additionally, Meta complies with privacy regulations like, again, GDPR and conducts regular audits to ensure adherence to legal standards to protect user privacy.
I see. So, on to the last set of questions. Kaya pa, Mr. Zuckerberg?
Yes, it's okay. Let's
So,
proceed.
that's good. So, here are the questions. Based on your observation, what are the rooms for improvement that you can suggest in their privacy policies?
Uh, I observed that we can improve the enhanced transparency and clarity. Simplified language Facebook's privacy policies can be complex and difficult to understand. Simplifying the language and providing clear, concise the summaries will help users better gauge how their data is used.
I see. So, just to add to that, Mr. Zuckerberg, totoo ba na ang Facebook or Meta can collect your phone brand, installed apps, your behavior, at pati clicks?
Yes, yes, it's true. It's legit.
Oh,
That Meta or Facebooks can collect information about your phone brand, installed apps, and your behavior and clicks like that. What you said. So these types of data collection and part of Facebook's border strategy to enhance user experience, deliver personalized content, and improve ad targeting. However, they also raise privacy concerns, which is why Facebook provides settings for users to control some aspects of how their data is collected and used. And
And
that's
that,
all.
and that's
Do you
about
have
it.
any follow-up questions?
No, no.
Any questions?
Wala naman na, Mr. Zuckerberg. And maraming salamat sa pagtanggap na invitation namin dito sa UX Core.
No, no, no. Thank you
salamat, Mr.
for being
Zuckerberg.
invited back here.
And once again, to our viewers, we are UX Core. I'm your host, Liam Rancho. My partner, Harley Ulanca. And once again, thank you for listening to us. UX Core out.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye.
Hanggang sa muli, paalam!